sorry I didn't post for a while. I've been sick and I've been grounded from video games, which sucked. I'm still sick, but I could still do a video. And I saw this guy. And he's pretty popular. His name is Pimpnite. I saw him do something called like full something team battles, and I wanted to try that out. And since I'm belitten, I wanted to start off the thing by doing a full cat team battle, which my team consists of Litten, Delicati, Alolan Persian, Lipard, Pyroar, and Zangoose. I didn't put any of them as shiny because I'm doing this on Team Builder. I didn't put a single one as shiny, just so you know, because literally I checked all the shinies and all of them are horrible. And yeah, so let's get into the video. 3, 2, 1, battle! Oh wait, I forgot to put my username in. My sister to lag. Dang. Oh, so this guy's team consists of a male Staraptor, Infernape, Gallade, Skiptile, Wailord, and Luxray. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna start off with Zangoose. I feel like Zangoose is the way to go. Oh, Zangoose gotta go. Oh yeah, I'm probably gonna need some water there. It's not only a runny nose, that just happened this morning after I showed the video. Guess I got being a YouTuber for free. So we start off with the Wailord. I'll attack using close combat. Close combat, yay! Oh dang! Oh dang! Oh yeah, leftovers. That's what I put on it. Close combat. I'm gonna use close combat. This is gonna be fun. Yay! Oh! Oh no! Oh no! Oh damn! Well, you know what time it is now since it just used its Z move. Attack with Lipard and use Night Slash. It's probably gonna switch out. How did I know? Infernape! Ooh, it's a fighting type, and I am a dark type. I don't know that well. Poison Junk Shot! Right, Gunk Shot! This is gonna be perfect. It's gonna be no, I'm gonna have Gunk Shot, does it? It switches down to it. It switches over here. Oh, here's the. His name is Tom Brady. Oh! I'm Persian, I think. I don't know, whenever I say something, I have to talk. But it's okay. Now let's use. No, let's see the Z move. No, should we? Black Hole Eclipse! It says it misses Umbrella. No! 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 Oh yeah, look at my character. I'm gold. No, I gotta wait. Let's go forfeit that. Now let's try that again because we were supposed to do 2 full battles. So this battle was horrible. Not last one. Oh no! Ho ho! bad timing to have two fire types on the team. I guess I'll go on to Leopard. Oh, come on, you had to make them all shiny. Okay, so he's starting off the good ninja. I'll use a... Can't really use dark moves. I'll use gunk shot. It missed! And I hit him with gunk shot! And I poisoned him! Oh, that was a perfect shot! Now all I gotta do is hyper voice it. Oh, never mind. Wow! GG. Hit him with Zangoose. Zangoose, use close combat! Close combat, guys. Close combat it. Oh! Oh! Nice. And I had some leftovers. No, dang it, extreme speed. Okay. Oh no. That was a little weird. Okay, hidden palace of fire move. Attract him. He's attract. Yes. Double him. No! Version. Version's one of our last hopes. It's time. I know I keep doing that. It's time! It ain't Stursberry! Power jam it. That's a big amount. But it failed. Okay, I'm just gonna hit him with. I just can't. I don't care. I'm hitting him with play rough. Play rough. Play rough or get down. Hope he sends out Garchomp next. Dragon type. Well, it's a steel type. I'm switching to a fire type. Crunch him. Okay. Time to lighten it up. Yeah, crunch bodies have a flame there. Bodies. Oh hell no. Well, I got one shot. Dang. Well, you guys saw that part. Oh dang. Time to do it again. Oh. Oh, I thought it was just that Palaver and that so I was like, oh, it's gonna be easy. So grass and steel, 2 waters, a steel, a fairy, and another fairy. I'm hoping it's this. I hope it's what the? Oh yeah, I put Pyro's gender as random, so I'll get a random one each time. Oh yes, I got the luck. I got the luck. Oh, and I just use like a grass move that's like solar beam, like. Now I gotta switch again. Where is that? She said I'll run. Oh! His Swampert can Mega Evolve. Forgot about that. After for you, I have Gug Shot! Crap. You gonna tell me? Use your Gen 6 Mega Evolutions. I use my Gen 7 Z move! Oh no! This was not got a black hole. Oh yes! Yes, mate, yes. Play rough. Never mind. Finish him. Finish him. Finish him. Switch, cause I am fatality. Wow. What? You turn. Dang. Oh. Okay. Oh! Don't lose again. So you double edge. I don't care. No. Okay. Crunch him. Crunch on him. Nope. Oh yeah, we're gonna head Rocky helmet. Oh, you look so cute, that kid, yo. How can I lose? Cause this guy hasn't lost a single Pokemon. Oh, he looks so cute. So cute. Well, time to figure him out. Neat. Neat. No. Goodbye. Okay, well, I'm gonna put this on my head, but that was a very great match, guys. I loved it, though. Even though I lost both of them. You guys comment down what kind of teams you want me to do next, like full Litten kind of team, where it shows Litten, Torcat, and Cinnamoroar, and it has a shiny version of them, or something like that. And I will do it. First comment gets the win. Okay? And before I go, I have a friend I wanted to give a shout out to. He's from my school, so I just want to shout him out before this video ends. Let me go to my subscriptions. Oh yeah, first of all, I want to give out a few shout outs today, actually. My friend Jack4923. He does like gaming like Mario Kart, Terraria, whatever. I didn't get to see that video yet. A ball obstacle course. Oh. I'm sorry, Jack. But many other stuff. And look, he's so cool. He made a Lego play button. He made a paper play button, just I can't find it. Cringe for his video. You see his first video though? And now let's keep scrolling down. I promised him what you really like you. My friend Clown666. He's a good friend. You should follow him. Daniel Pratt. Daniel Pratt used to be a big viewer and stuff, but then he made a new channel called Daniel Acts 123. He can solve a Rubik's Cube a bunch of times. He will play mobile games and stuff like that. Okay, I'm scrolling down. He's down here, the final one, I think. Wait, is he up there with Jack then? Wait, I'm just looking for him. No, yeah, Jacob Malu. This is his channel. I'm giving him a shout because he's a friend and he only has 3 subs, so bring him up. And EJ, I forgot to resub to him. Elijah, I don't know how he has this much subs. Cause ready, you can see his content when this thing loads. If it does, wait, he has 49 subs. Just look at this roof. Shout time. I'm in a fort. School, bruh. Sad update. Gaming shadow. Update time. Mad and sad. Shout out time. Shout out time. Shout out time. Update. 30 sub giveaway. Shout out time. Dang. And he steals a video from SML. Like, okay. Okay. And yeah. Just so, I don't know how he has 49 subs, but I shouted him out because he's a friend and, you're welcome, EJ. Now, I gotta say goodbye to you two. Then, 17 minutes. When the second someone puts a comment on, full something team, I will make the team, and I will automatically go on it. Yeah? Well, they're gonna notice it. Well, bye, guys. Have an awesome day, awesome weekend. And I want to make more videos today because literally this weekend's gonna be awesome. Because by the end of October, I'm gonna literally do all the funny moments I've done this month. So I hope we can do something cool. Bye. Bye forever. I'm just kidding. Till a few days later.